Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to start with the console online and signed in. This lets the store show compatible apps. Once done, confirm your Xbox is on the same network you want to stream from, because YouTube streams rely on stable bandwidth. Next, press the guide, go to Store, then search for YouTube. The official app appears with the Google icon. Install immediately. This begins the download and ensures the app is obtained from Microsoft, so updates install automatically. You will see installation progress. Wait until it's complete, then launch the YouTube app. When you choose Sign In, you can either enter your Google credentials on the console or use the Pair Device option, which is faster and avoids typing. If you use a phone or PC, go to YouTube.com/activate and enter the code shown. This links your subscriptions and history. Make sure to allow permissions for personalized recommendations and voice search if you want hands-free control and synced playlists. You can now play videos, cast from mobile, and control playback with your controller. Use voice search for quick finds. If you notice buffering, change the quality setting to a lower resolution to stabilize playback, because network fluctuations cause most issues. If the app won't sign in or crashes, sign out, uninstall the app, then reinstall. Also check Xbox system updates and reboot the console. Key troubleshooting tip: perform a power cycle. Hold the Xbox power button 10 seconds, then restart before reinstalling apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.